I'm gonna go get the pack. Oh, we'll do it at the end. Should we do it at the end?
No, you're supposed to show them.
Ah, damn you.
See, I'm tired of Hauwa. I'm tired. How can she be? How? Why is she confused? Okay, she's back. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hauwa. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. I'm back again with this loser child and we're doing the noodle challenge. Actually, we did.
You're not going to tell them my name.
Shut up.
Wow.
Shut up. Guys, if you guys can go back to the first. Why does she care so much? Shut up.
Wow. Sorry.
Anyways, we did the first noodle challenge, but we did it with our normal noodle, and then we put like lots of hot pepper. And we always like see this noodle challenge, ramen noodle challenge circulating on YouTube, and people always like struggle to get through the plate. And I was like, oh my god, if only I could get one noodle to try this out. So I did get noodles from my friend who was in China. Yay me. Anyways, so we cooked it. Now hopefully we cooked it right, and I just hope we've not been underestimating how hot it is. Really.
See, I love pepper, so I'm good.
Okay, I hope so. We don't have milk or ice cream.
No,
we should have actually gotten ice cream.
If you drink, if you
no. When I'm done, child, or when I'm dying, you know.
Doesn't matter. Finish it first.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's just take 2 seconds to introduce her. She's Gloryokings. She has an amazing YouTube channel.
It's after how many hours?
Y'all should check her out. She does like hair stuff and like all those other cute stuff, and I know you love it.
If you like to see how
you're welcome, by the way.
Check out my channel.
Yeah.
On YouTube. So yes, we're going to start with this.
Alright, let's go. So basically this is the noodle. By the way, it looks so red.
Sure.
Why is she out of frame?
I'm trying to make. This is the noodle. You don't even show them the pack. Look at your.
Oh, it's true. Get the pack, Glory.
Why should I? You have passage. Where am I supposed to pass?
How, Glory? Alright, I'm gonna go get the pack. Oh, we'll do it at the end. Should we do it at the end?
No, you're supposed to show them.
Ah, damn you. I'm back. This is the noodle packet, and it's not exactly ramen noodle. I don't know what it says because I don't know how to read Chinese. However, I was even holding it the wrong way.
Wow.
Anyways, this is it. It looks hot. It has the fire. It looks hot. Okay, let's go, Glory. I should have gotten water. Do we have water?
No.
Let me get water.
No. How about let's start?
Alright. Okay.
Okay. So first to finish, do we need a rule? Let's make a rule.
Don't drink water. That's literally the rule for everyone.
The person that wins, what do you get?
Oh, I get a massage. That's all I'm gonna get. That's all I need.
1, 2, 3, go. Is this a super hot one?
I need to overestimate this thing.
Why are people acting like they're dying?
No, maybe when you eat a lot. That kind of bad. Tastes like it tastes like I can eat it. We probably shouldn't have actually applied lipstick, because now we're going to struggle. By the way, guys, Glory doesn't chew her noodles. She swallows the damn thing. How can you compete with that? I hate her so much. Alright guys, it's not that hot. Oh my god, really.
This one was overrated.
I'm sorry.
Is this the extremely hot one?
I don't know, man. It has fire in it, so.
This is normal pepper I eat.
I told you, the other one was sesame. It wasn't even chili or anything. Ooh, no, I can feel it in my chest. I feel like the one we had the first time was hotter than this.
This is not hot. at all.
So we're just casually eating noodles and I'm like,
We're having lunch.
I know, right? We haven't eaten. Glory's plate is empty, see? And she said hers was more than
Because
mine.
I'm doing chewing and not talking.
She finished. They're gonna give me a background regardless. I'm almost done.
I'm still sitting. No water needed.
Shut up, Glory. I don't know why Glory feels like I'm a boss.
Because I'm a boss. Pepe ain't got nothing on me. Okay? So, I need to understand, is this the mega hot one?
Black children. Children of black parents.
Is this the mega hot noodles? Because this doesn't seem hot to me. It seems like like the amount of chili in it seems like something I would put in my own noodles. Like when I'm making noodles.
Please tell us if there's anything hotter than this. Maybe they eat something differently.
Because if I see the noodle challenge,
I mean, I can taste it. I can actually feel the heat, but
the only place I'm feeling is my lips. That's all.
no, I can taste it.
My mouth is good. Everything is good. This thing is not hot. Honestly, I feel like it's overrated. Actually, if there's anyone hotter than this, I still don't think it will be hot.
We don't know about it.
Okay, now I'm hot. Just eat. Wow. Wow.
I'm almost done, guys. I'm
Wow.
not going to chicken out.
Okay, let's wait for him.
I was about to choke just now. Remember the last thing?
We are waiting for Hauwa to finish eating. She's
Tell
taking
them
her
a
time.
story.
What story? So you guys should please subscribe if you're watching this video. Some of you guys will just come
That's
watch
not a
someone's video
story.
and not subscribe. I don't know. Like, why don't you want to support a sister?
Oh, but that's normal though. But I don't know why they don't subscribe. It's true.
I'm trying to tell them to subscribe.
Sorry.
Child. Look at my lips. My lip afternoon. Or whatever the time is actually afternoon. But yeah, guys. What story can I tell them? What funny story did you have to
Let me ask you a question. What's the weirdest thing you do?
I roll my tongue.
Do it. That's not weird actually.
I have a really long tongue. Is that weird?
Yeah. But it's also not the
But
question.
it's
What's the
actually not
weird
that
thing
long,
you
though.
do? It's long.
It's not long. I feel like you guys don't pull out your tongue very well. Like you're doing this thing. For you, I feel like you're doing this.
No.
That's what you're doing. Bro. People just don't know how to pull out.
Oh, by the way, guys, done.
So what?
Now let's talk about this.
Exactly. This thing.
Really, guys?
It's not hot. Really, like I don't know.
Really?
If this is what you. I know we got this from China, straight from China. Original copy.
I feel so useless. I feel like I need to record another video to compensate for the shit.
Because
I swear to God.
we just had lunch basically because
We literally had lunch. I just need water now to
to just settle everything down. I can't stay without water. Like I don't have to drink water. If I'm drinking water, it's just to push the food down. That's all. This is actually not hot. Like
So
they need to do better than this actually. So yeah.
I mean, I guess the aim is not really for us to not be able to eat it. The aim is for us to eat it, except some people can't withstand pepper, so they use it as a challenge.
Oh,
You know?
oh.
But like,
If Eunice had eaten this thing, guy,
she wouldn't have, right? Or
she
Van.
cannot like. Yeah.
Van would have turned red. Oh my
I'm
god.
telling you, like literally.
So like, it's nice actually. The taste is okay,
He
right?
sucked it to me.
Really?
Guess
It's
what?
the size of no. That's the way the noodle is.
I know.
It's not like it's soaked up water. That's literally the way it
it's
is.
fat.
That's the size.
Yeah.
I don't mind the size. I don't mind the taste, and I can
Handle
hold,
the
yeah.
pepper or the hotness of the.
yeah. Yeah, really.
Oh my god, I almost freaked out. I thought this was the Hey, I was about to say Hauwa, we're gonna fall sick.
But we finished it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna say this thing was not hot at all. So we're probably gonna record another video right now, or we're gonna be wearing the same clothes, cause
oh my god.
Anywho, thank you all for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment whatever video you like to see.
Check out my channel for natural hair tutorials and tags and vlogs and whatever.
I was gonna get there, I swear.
You don't like me, you don't get there. It's after the video, when you remove this from record, that's when you remember to do. But they say fight for yourself, people. Fight for yourself.
Comment whatever video you'd like me to do next time, and give this video a thumbs up if you want her back on my channel again, and like check out her channel. She does amazing stuff. And alright guys, bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys.